Imagine running a full business by yourself without feeling overwhelmed, burned out, or buried under 12 different tools. That's what ChatGPT Atlas makes possible. OpenAI's new AI-powered browser isn't just another productivity app. It's the closest thing to hiring an entire team without actually hiring anyone. In this video, you're going to see how Atlas can collapse hours of research, writing, planning, and client management into minutes. How it can streamline your entire workflow into one intelligent system. And most importantly, how it makes a one-person business feel like a 10-person operation. I'll walk you through exactly how to use Atlas to automate market research, content creation, task management, and full business operations, so you can work faster, earn more, and finally stop juggling everything manually. Let's get into it. First off, what exactly is ChatGPT Atlas? Well, imagine combining the intelligence of ChatGPT with a full-fledged web browser built to take work off your plate. That's Atlas in a nutshell. It isn't just another search engine. It's an AI teammate that actually does tasks for you. For anyone running a business alone, juggling admin work, research, content, and daily chaos, this instantly removes half the stress. Released by OpenAI in late 2025, Atlas is built to handle complex tasks autonomously, making it perfect for entrepreneurs who need to wear multiple hats without burning out. To get started, just sign in through the OpenAI website or the ChatGPT app if you're a Plus or Enterprise user. Once you're inside, you'll notice everything feels fast and built for action. The unified search bar is where most of your power comes from. Type in anything, and instead of wasting time clicking through endless tabs, Atlas merges AI reasoning with live internet data. Search something like best niches for online businesses in 2025. And instead of spending hours comparing articles, Atlas gives you a clean summary paired with the most relevant info instantly. Here's where things get crazy. That alone can save you an hour a day if you normally research manually. But where Atlas really becomes addictive is its intelligent personalization. As you work, it remembers what you're building, what topics you care about, and what direction your business is heading. So if you've been exploring e-commerce ideas, it doesn't just give you generic answers. It anticipates your next step. Think about how much mental energy that saves. No more restarting your research every single day. This is the moment you start feeling like you're running a smarter business, not a harder one. Now, let's get into the real weapon, agent mode. This is where Atlas stops being a tool and starts acting like an actual team member. In agent mode, you give it a task, and it executes. It browses websites, gathers data, fills out forms, creates documents, and moves through the web like a real assistant. And here's the part solopreneurs will love. It works in the background while you keep doing your thing. No more bottlenecks. No more feeling like you need 3 clones to get through a single day. To activate agent mode, you just start your command with something like agent, research X, and create a report. It breaks everything into steps, updates you as it goes, and only asks for input when human approval is needed. This next part blew my mind. It eliminates the repetitive grunt work that usually drains most of your day. This alone can prevent the biggest solopreneur mistake, spending so much time on tasks that you never grow the actual business. All right, enough setup. Let's break down how Atlas can help you start and scale a one-person business. We'll go through idea generation, market research, content creation, operations, and growth hacking. Each part is designed to turn overwhelming work into a streamlined workflow you can actually sustain long-term. Starting with idea generation. Every business begins with a solid idea. But let's be honest, brainstorming alone can feel like staring into a black hole. With Atlas, you can instantly ask something like, generate 10 profitable one-person business ideas in the health tech niche. And it doesn't just guess. It analyzes trends, filters the noise, and gives you ideas that are actually viable. And here's the contrast. Before Atlas, this takes hours and tons of second guessing. With Atlas, you get clarity in seconds. If you refine the search to focus on wearable tech, Atlas builds on your thinking, getting smarter as you go. This is where most people burn time, but Atlas shortcuts the entire process. Once you've got your idea, let's say a freelance graphic design service, it's time for market research. Normally, this is where solopreneurs hit a wall. Endless tabs, endless notes, zero direction. But this is where agent mode shines. Say, agent, Research the top 20 graphic design freelancers on Upwork. Analyze their profiles, services, pricing, and client reviews. Summarize in a Google Doc. Atlas will scan the web, gather everything, and organize it all for you. You can even tell it to include average earnings and client pain points. Here's where things get wild. Work that usually steals hours from your day now happens while you drink your coffee. And instead of feeling lost, you instantly know exactly how competitive your offer is. Next up, content creation. If you're building anything online, blogs, YouTube, Instagram, content is your oxygen. But creating content alone? It drains time fast. With Atlas, though, it becomes one of the fastest parts of your workflow. You can use the search bar to outline a blog post, and Atlas blends AI writing with real web data so your content is accurate and up to date. But the real jump is agent mode. Agent, write a 1,000-word article on freelance graphic design tips, optimize for SEO, and post it to my WordPress site. If your accounts are linked, it drafts, optimizes, and uploads. This is where creators go from overwhelmed to unstoppable. For YouTube, you can even tell it to analyze top-performing videos and improve your script. It's like having a co-writer who works at lightning speed. Now let's talk operations, the silent killer of one-person businesses. Emails, scheduling, invoicing, these tasks eat your day alive. Atlas fixes this instantly. Say, agent, scan my inbox for client inquiries, draft professional responses based on my pricing sheet, and flag urgent ones. Instead of drowning in messages, you get clean summaries and ready to send replies. That alone can save hours every week. Then add, agent, create a Google Sheet with my client list, calculate outstanding invoices, and email reminders. Suddenly, your admin workload is automated. Most solopreneurs fail not because of bad ideas, but because operations burn them out. Atlas removes that pressure. Running customer service? Same story. One person can't respond 24/7, but Atlas can. You can set prompts for it to answer FAQs, escalate complex issues, and handle the smaller stuff so you stay focused on high-value work. If you manage social media for clients, say, agent, analyze a client's Instagram account, find top-performing posts, suggest a content calendar, and generate post ideas. That's what normally takes a full agency, done by one person. And when you're ready to scale, Atlas becomes your growth engine. For leads, try Agent. Search LinkedIn for potential clients in graphic design, compile a list of 50 with emails, and draft outreach messages. It gathers profiles, verifies info, and prepares everything for you. For competitor tracking, set Agent. Weekly report on competitors' social media growth and strategies. Here's the thing. The memory feature keeps improving every report, spotting trends you might have missed. Let's walk through a real-world scenario to show exactly how this works in practice. Imagine you're launching a niche e-commerce store focused on eco-friendly gadgets. With Atlas, the entire workflow becomes streamlined and largely automated. Step 1. Idea validation. You begin with simple market research. You type, Trending Eco-Gadgets 2025. Atlas searches across Amazon, Reddit, tech blogs, and news outlets, then consolidates the results into a clear summary. You instantly see what consumers are buying, what they're talking about, and which products show long-term potential. Step 2. Supplier research. Next, you activate agent mode. Find top suppliers on Alibaba, compare prices, and create a comparison table. Agent mode gathers supplier links, evaluates pricing, minimum order quantities, ratings, and even reviews, then formats everything into a clean, side-by-side table so you can choose the best option without scrolling through endless tabs. Step 3. Website setup. Once you've selected products, you move on to your store. You instruct, generate product descriptions and optimize them for Shopify. Atlas produces polished descriptions, keyword-optimized bullet points, and SEO tags ready for upload. And that's why ChatGPT Atlas doesn't just make your business faster, it makes you stronger as a creator, entrepreneur, or freelancer. But here's the part most people miss. Atlas has hidden workflows that can replace an entire content team, an entire research department, and even your customer support turned completely automatic. That's exactly what I'm breaking down in the next video. If you think today's demo was powerful, the next one will change the way you work forever. So click over to that video right now. It starts where this one ends.